Good morning, everyone. So we are in our last unit. We are at the tail end of our semester, and this will be the last paper that we write. It's the research paper. And in this, we're going to kind of walk through it step by step so that those of you who are not comfortable with research or know how to get and find quality articles to read, we're going to walk you through that. But today what I wanted to do is just kind of give you an overview of what this research paper is, how you will complete it, and then point out the 2 assignments that you have to do. In our research paper, the goal is that you find a topic that you want to research, that you find what other people are saying about this topic, and that you report that back in an organized fashion. A research paper is not you having a question, knowing the answer in your mind, and then going to find the articles that confirm your answer, right? So a lot of times people say, well, I can't find an article, I can't find an article. If you found an article on your topic, let that article speak to you, and then think about how you were going to organize what it's telling you. A lot of times people get very frustrated with the research paper for that very reason, that they can't find articles. And it's because they already have the answer in their mind. And so what I want you to kind of do is just kind of free that, right? Let that answer you think is the question, the answer to the question, and then just let the article speak to you, okay? And so basically what you are going to be doing is you're going to be thinking about a topic, thinking about what you want to learn about that topic or what you want to know or a question that you have, and then finding information to help you answer that question. All right. There's the slideshow, the research paper. What is it? What do I have to do? Why do I have to do it? This is in modules. And so I will take you to modules right now, or not modules, sorry, coursework. And what we are going to do this week is you're going to have 2 things. One, you're going to have to read what is a research paper class notes. And let me put this in how you see it instead of my view. So if you close out all of these guys, let me move my face. All right. So I'm going to scroll down to Unit 3, our last unit, the research paper. You're going to have 2 assignments. You're going to read through these class notes. And it's very important that you read through it so that you get the information that you need to understand what a research paper is, why you have to do it, and what it looks like. And then you're going to go to this forum post, all right? And by Friday of this week, you are going to think about what you want to research. You're going to post 3 to 4 topics that you're considering, and they should be drawn from your personal interest and your professional expertise. The PowerPoint will let you know how to choose your topic, and it will also inform you of topics that are off limits, all right? Then you're going to post those ideas, and then you're going to comment on another person's idea. If you would like to steal a research topic that someone else is doing, I encourage you to do so. Sometimes when we bounce ideas off of each other, we think of things that we wouldn't have thought of on our own. And so if someone else's topic is looking of interest to you, take it. All right. Now, I'm not asking you to commit to a topic today, and some of these topics will, all of your topics will have to be approved. So you want to definitely stay away from the ones in the PowerPoint that were not ones that you should be using. And you want to kind of think outside the box, right? The topics that have been most successful in the past have been ones where the student was really interested in it. The information was prevalent, right? There was a lot of information. And the topics that are kind of like a little bit outside of mainstream, right? And the more specific or narrow your topic is, it can work in your favor because the research then is so tailored to that, right? So these are just kind of ideas to think about. You want to avoid general, really big terms like racism, abortion, gun rights. These are all too big for what we are going to accomplish in a 4 to 6 page paper. Okay, so you want to kind of think of, when you're thinking of your topic, think of something that is big enough to research but narrow enough to have a focus. All right? So if you have any questions, reach out. This is the home stretch, and I look forward to what you're going to write about.